LOLLY, organic and totally free from ice lollies, made with real whole fruit. Hi guys, I'm Caris from LOLLY. We've got a fun treat for you today, Frozen Fruity Kebabs. Now, this is all about making fruit fun for the whole family. I've used metal skewers, but you could use the bamboo wooden kind as well. Place your fruit on carefully, leave a gap in between so the fruit doesn't stick together, and try and get different types of fruit all on one kebab and mix it up. Now, I find that if I get Rocco, my son, involved, he loves it even more. So it's a really fun activity to do with the kids as well. Put it in the freezer for a few hours and that's it. If you're feeling a bit naughty, you can melt some chocolate and get the kids to drizzle it over the frozen fruit when they come out of the freezer. It's the perfect frozen fruity summer treat. Let us know how you get on. Did you like this video? Then follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss another video. See you soon!